How to draw New York. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are learning how to draw New York. We will start by drawing the right side. To begin, we are going to draw a squiggly line right here. Nice job! Now from the bottom of that squiggly line, we are going to draw a small upside down U shape to the right of it. Then from the right side of that upside down U, we are going to draw a straight line going downwards. Then from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a slightly slanted line going downwards as well. And then we are going to draw a straight line going downwards from that one. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a small diagonal line going down and to the left from the bottom where we left off. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Then we are going to draw a small squiggly line going downwards from the small diagonal line that we just drew. Now we are going to draw the bottom right part of New York. For this, we are going to begin by drawing a squiggly line going to the right from where we left off. Then we are going to draw a curved line that goes downwards and back to the left just a little bit. Then from this, we are going to draw a small squiggly line going to the right. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a long squiggly line right here. Then at the end of this squiggly line, we are going to draw a curved line going up and around, making a circular shape, but it is not going to connect all the way back to the squiggly line. There will be a small space in between. Awesome job! Now after that, we are going to draw another squiggly line going upwards from the end where we left off. Nice job! We are all done drawing the bottom right part of New York. Next, we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the left. Then from the end of that diagonal line, we are going to draw a curved squiggly line going upwards a little bit. Then we are going to draw a straight line going right here to the left. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now from the end of that straight line, we are going to draw a small line going upwards. Then we are going to draw a squiggly diagonal line going up and to the right. Then we are going to continue by drawing a sideways U with a small squiggly line going upwards at the end. Awesome job! Then from the top of this, we are going to draw a line that goes to the right that starts off by going straight and then curves a little bit at the end. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are coming along great. Next, we are going to draw a small curved line going upwards. Then from the top of this, we are going to draw a curvy line that looks kind of like an S. Nice job! Now lastly, we are going to draw a diagonal line that's a little bit curvy going right here, and then a straight line here at the top. This is How to Draw New York! Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.